The 2023 Integra returns one of the brand's most iconic nameplates to the Acura lineup, delivering a premium, exhilarating driving experience and a sleek liftback designed to a new generation of enthusiast drivers. A premium sport compact inspired by the fun-to-drive spirit of previous Integras, the 2023 model will arrive at dealers beginning in early June with a starting price of $30,800 to become the new performance gateway of the Acura brand. As the only 5-door liftback in the premium sport compact segment, Integra offers sleek style while benefiting from the extended cargo flexibility enabled by the liftback body style. The new Integra A-Spec is powered by a high-output, 200-horsepower turbocharged engine built at the ANA engine plant in Ohio, paired with either a segment-exclusive 6-speed manual transmission. The short-throw, close-ratio 6-speed features automatic rev matching for the ultimate in precision driving. To maximize available traction when accelerating out of corners, power is routed through a helical limited slip differential in manual transmission-equipped vehicles. As with every Acura model, Integra benefits from Acura's advanced compatibility engineering body structure, which is designed for improved crash compatibility between vehicles of varying sizes, such as an SUV and a small car, and occupant protection in angled frontal collisions. A new upper A-pillar structure, side frame and lower firewall structure are all engineered to route crash energy around the cabin rather than through it. Integra continues Acura's alluring contrast design language, first seen on the 2019 RDX. A sophisticated front fascia features a frameless version of Acura's diamond pentagon grille, framed by 4 dual-eye LED headlight elements and chicane LED daytime running lights. LED fog lights integrated into the lower fascia are available. The A-Spec Sport Appearance package pumps up the visual style with a gloss black window surrounds and front and rear fascia trim. A sporty lip spoiler and A-Spec badges adorn the front fenders and tailgate. Shark gray 18-inch alloy wheels are wrapped in larger 235/40/18 all-season performance tires. An aggressive rear fascia with dual exhaust finishers emphasizes the Integra's wide track and sporty stance. An upswept decklet and wide, single-piece LED taillights harken back to previous generation models, and the embossed Integra logos in the front and rear fascia recall the third-generation car. Integra's standard Acura watch suite of driver assistive and safety technologies features an all-new single-camera system with a wide field of view and long range. Using the new single-camera system, collision mitigation braking system can distinguish between vehicles, pedestrians, and even bicycles. It also includes functionality such as traffic sign recognition and traffic jam assist, and more natural-feeling responses for functions such as adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping assist system. Also standard on every Integra is a blind spot information system with rear cross-traffic monitoring. Integra A-Spec with technology package includes front and rear parking sensors and low-speed braking control. Inside, Integra has a sporty and personal cabin featuring high-quality materials and switchgear, with all touch points imparting a premium feel. The climate control vents reflect the diamond mesh pattern of the grille, highlighted by piano black trim. When equipped with the A-Spec Sport Appearance package, Integra communicates its performance edge with stainless steel pedals, red gauge needles, and contrast stitching on the steering wheel, seats, shifter and shift boot. Standard on the 2023 Integra are new body stabilizing, and heated front seats wrapped in synthetic leather, with 8-way power adjustment for the driver, available in either ebony, red or orchid. The optional technology package adds a 12-way power seat for the driver as well as micro-suede inserts for the front seats. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom, and to support active lifestyles, Integra's 60/40 split rear seatbacks can be folded flat to flexibly expand the cargo area. Integra's segment-leading technology includes a standard 10.2-inch Acura Precision Cockpit, digital gauge cluster with multiple display modes, and a 7-inch digital touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The available technology package increases the touchscreen size to 9 inches and adds wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Alexa built-in, QI-compatible wireless charging, and a 5.3-inch head-up display. Additionally, charging is supported by a USB-C port up front, along with 2 USB 8 ports at the back of the center console for rear seat passengers. Standard premium audio is provided via 8 speakers, while the available 16-speaker ELS Studio 3D premium audio system adds a new dimension with 2 highline speakers mounted in the headliner, above the front seat passengers. Standard advanced safety features include driver and passenger airbags designed to control head rotation in a crash, rear seat airbags and a new single-camera Acura watch system with enhanced traffic jam assist and traffic sign recognition. Integra's class-leading driving dynamics and engaging performance is built upon an exceptionally rigid body and sport-tuned chassis combined with Integra's fully independent suspension to deliver precise, sporty handling and a comfortable ride. Integra also benefits from powerful brakes and precise variable ratio steering. A standard integrated dynamics system enables the Integra driver to choose between 3 distinct driving modes for the throttle response, automatic transmission mapping, steering feel and gauge coloration. A-Spec with technology package adds adjustments for in-cabin sound, plus an individual mode that allows the driver to customize the integrated dynamics system setting combinations to their liking. An available adaptive damper system gives drivers even more precise control of Integra's ride and handling performance with distinct damping characteristics for comfort, normal and sport driving modes. Drivers also can customize their driving experience with an individual mode that allows independent selection of steering, engine response, and suspension firmness for a tailored driving experience at the touch of a button. Integra A-Spec with technology package hits the market with $35,800 starting price. All 2023 Acura models come with complimentary new Acura maintenance program offering select factory scheduled service.